Today we're covering one of the hottest reveals from Meta's annual Connect conference, the launch of the Meta Quest 3S. On September 25, 2024, Meta announced the Quest 3S, a headset packing all the power and mixed reality features of the Quest 3, but starting at an amazing $299.99. Whether you're new to mixed reality or ready for an upgrade from your Quest or Quest 2, the Quest 3S offers premium features without the premium price tag. Highlights of the Meta Quest 3S. The Quest 3S is fully loaded with the best updates from the Quest 3 lineup, enhanced Meta Horizon OS optimized for mixed reality, with quick access to your favorite apps like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Upgraded spatial audio and pass-through with enhanced contrast and color for a fully immersive experience. Travel mode. Use your Quest on the go, even on trains. Something for everyone. Whether you're into gaming, fitness, or just want an epic entertainment setup, the Quest 3S has you covered. Gaming. Dive into thousands of apps and exclusives like Batman Arkham Shadow. Fitness. Enjoy immersive workouts with Supernatural's new group mode. Entertainment. Turn your Quest into a personal cinema with apps like Prime Video, YouTube, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. Beta. Specs to watch. Processor Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 with 8GB of RAM for lightning-fast performance. Optics. 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye with a 96-degree field of view and a Fresnel lens. Mixed reality features, dual RGB cameras, hand tracking, and an action button for instant pass-through immersion. Pricing and availability. The 128GB model starts at $299.99 USD or €329.99. The 256GB model is priced at $439.99 USD or €439.99. Plus, you get Batman Arkham Shadow and a 3-month Meta Quest plus trial with each purchase. Meta also dropped the 512GB Quest 3 to $499.99, bringing high-end mixed reality even closer. Final thoughts. Here on Capsule Site, we believe the Meta Quest 3S isn't just a headset, it's your ticket to endless mixed reality possibilities. Stick around for our in-depth reviews, tips, and guides on getting the most from the Meta Quest 3S experience. Disclaimer: prices and availability may vary, so check the official Meta website for the latest info.